So today's now day 6 of the Overland Patagonia landscape photography workshop. And we're heading down to the Cave of Hands.
This was a close-up to the condor.
I finished my memory card. Yeah.
Some of the abstract art. You can see the circles, you can see the zigzag or those switchbacks.
I was a gun certain that when we come out with the idea that it was going to go After another whole day on the road and being out at Cueva de los Manos, the Cave of Hands, we've just rocked up to this crazy little roadside hotel, they think they call it. We're literally in the middle of nowhere and you can feel every part of it. I just want to take everyone in and show everyone how funny this place is. Look how funny this place is. Shut the door behind me. Go and say hi to Federico and Freddie. Look in here, look how beautiful this place is. Hola!
I have a glass of wine before I shower.
Why not? I'll be there, mate. Jeez, that guy wasn't looking too happy about me filming him, was he? Check the fallout in this place. Look at the walls. Good. The highlight of Patagonia, huh? Absolutely crazy.
On my tripod,
Yeah.
it went to just shutter release when you hit the button. But then when I went to handheld, it was holding the 2-second wait. And I'm sitting there holding it.
Yeah.
I'm going like, what the hell is going on? You know, I click the button, then it would go, you'd hear that.